Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I'm Kevin, and today we're doing a massive, well, maybe not massive, but we got a bunch of guys going to do Super Bowl wings. And I hope you watch all the videos, get some great ideas on wings to do. Cooking and barbecuing started this, and as far as I know, I'm part of it. 805 Barbecue Junkies part of it. Sleeper Barbecues part of it. The Dude's Kitchen is part of it. I invited Jeff at Fat Kids Barbecue. And anyway, click on the link that says hashtag Super Bowl Wings, and you can check out all the other wing videos, or I'll try to link most of them in the description below. I'm sure there's other guys that have joined in, but anyway, so I am out here. It is freezing. I got my wings ready. Well, they're not ready. They're just right here. I'm going to show you how I get them ready. And we're going to do them on the Weber kettle. And not only just, we're not going to throw them on the grill and just grill some wings. I mean, I got a new toy. I got a rotisserie. And I'm going to show you how I do this right now. Okay, so I've got my wings here. I made up some Ms. Dixie's Memphis style rub, dry rub. I actually had an empty Memphis barbecue rub bottle that I put it in. So, but if you want the ingredients on how to make this rub, go see Craig over behind the garage barbecue. He's got the instructions and the measurements and everything that goes in here. It's a really good dry rub, and I'm going to use that on this chicken. I'm also going to be using some of my spicy SPG, yeah, the world famous one. But we're not going to add this yet. We're going to get the skewers. We're going to get our rotisserie set up. And I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Okay, so here's my skewer. And you know what? I mean, if I just use just this skewer, what am I going to get? You know, 8 chicken wings on here? Nah, that's not going to cut it. I'm going to adjust my skewer, or my rotisserie rod, about right there. Okay. And then what we're going to do is I'm going to do some flats. Okay. Just run them in between the bones. Okay, see, that'll make 10. So then what we got to do is we got to get this skewer through this side. Both of those wings. And then over this side, I need to get these last 2 on this side through the skewer, through the point over here. And then we're going to just space them out a little bit. Just like that. And hopefully those will stick really nice. Okay. So that's how I'm getting a rotisserie for my chicken wings without buying that wheel like I have for my rotisserie. And then for the drummies, obviously you can't go through the bone, but we can certainly get it through the meat. Line that up, run it through the points on here. Help hold the skewer portion. I might need to come in just a little bit with this. That should work. Okay. All right. Now we're going to do some more flats. How's that look? Just like that. I'm going to do hit up these drummies right here with my world famous SPG. Okay, some of my Memphis dry rub on these. So let's get a little more world famous on these. There you go. As soon as we get our fire heated up, we're going to get these on the grill. All right, I think my coals are hot enough. And I have some cherry wood on each side. Just get these coals going. Let's get these wings going. Look at that. There's my own rotisserie wheel. Let's turn that on. Let's get it going. Let's hope this chicken holds. I'm going to go ahead and close this up for a few. Let that smoke build. Get on those wings. We will be back. Okay, now that our wings are going, let's cross our fingers. Hope those wings on the sides hold my skewers together. I think they will. If we got to fail, we got to fail. But in the meantime, we're going to go inside. We're going to make a couple of sauces up. Chicken is cooking. All right, for our sauces, we're going to throw a 1/4 cup of butter in each pan. In one pan, we're going to use some Frank's wing sauce. I'm going to use about 6 ounces. Once you get it in there, you just want to stir it up and let that simmer for a while. We'll add a little extra stuff in a minute. And then the other one, that's my jalapeno sauce that I made. It's about 6 ounces as well. We're just going to add this to the butter. Simple as that. We're going to add probably about 1/2 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of granulated garlic to each one of them. I'm actually going to throw a habanero in my jalapeno sauce. Let that simmer away. Get some celery seed in there. Not much, just a little bit. We're not making a whole heaping pan full of sauce, so you don't need a whole lot of ingredients for each one. Let that simmer. Once it's simmered real well, then we're going to throw it in the blender. We're going to puree that habanero so it mixes up well with that sauce. And then once that's done, we're going to take it off of the blender, put it back in the pan, and let it simmer some more. Bring the heat back up. Then I'm going to add some honey to it for our honey jalapeno habanero sauce. I'm just going to start with probably 2 tablespoons of honey for now. We'll taste it and adjust it. And here's our sauces. Look at that. Right, we are about 25 minutes in. Look at that. My little rotisserie wheel working. Man, saved myself 50 bucks there, right? Okay. Let's give these a... Oh, look at that. Let's give these wings a temp check. .67 there. Or a little cooler. All right, you know what? We're gonna go 5 more minutes. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. These wings are up to temp. It's time to get them off. They've been on for a total of 45 minutes. Look at that. Let's get these on the table. There we go. Check that out. Oh yeah. Look at that. Okay, so my little skewer experiment worked. What I'm going to do now is loosen up one end of these. And then we're going to get our chicken off of here. There's the skewers. Look at that. There we go. How about that? Rotisserie wings on the Weber Kettle using the Only Fire rotisserie. They looked amazing. Made a couple of different sauces. Let's give them a taste. Make sure they do taste amazing. I'm sure they will. And here I got my sauces. This one here is my honey jalapeno habanero. And this is just your regular buffalo sauce. And this one right here is just with the Ms. Daisy's Memphis style dry rub that Craig from Behind the Garage Barbecue did up. I'll put a link below for that, but let's give this a try first. All right. Man, that's really good, Craig. I'm going to take a taste of the, you know, Frank's Buffalo. We know it's going to be good because, hey, who hasn't had that, right? Mmm. 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 Okay, Frank's Buffalo sauce, awesome. Always is. You can't go wrong with Frank's. Now, for my honey jalapeno habanero sauce, I did end up adding a little more honey. There's probably about almost a half a cup, between a quarter and a half, third cup. So, sorry. Anyway, here it is. I had to do that because once I blended up that habanero, these were pretty spicy. So, and it was only one habanero in the jalapeno sauce. So, here we go. Mmm. Hmm. Wow. That sauce is really good on these wings with that rub on there too. Man. Finger looking good. It does have a kick to it though. So, if you want hot, spicy wings, jalapeno habanero, honey jalapeno habanero sauce for the wings, dry rubbed with sauce, either way you like them. Awesome wings. Don't forget to click on one of the hashtags Super Bowl wings and go check out the other guys' cooks. All right, thanks for watching, and hey, hopefully we'll see you on the next cook.